Hello, my name is Morales Jimenez. I have been working with SAP for over 24 years, specializing in consulting, training, and pre-sales activities. My expertise covers FI, CO, PS, IM, and PPM, and I have a deep understanding of integrated business processes, including purchasing, production, and sales. Over the years, I have closely followed the evolution of SAP and how it has transformed enterprise operations. If you work with SAP, you've probably heard of SAP S for HANA. But what has really changed? Let's take a quick journey through SAP's history. In the 1970s, SAP R1 was introduced as a simple, centralized system where all operations took place within a single environment. However, this structure had limitations, making it difficult for companies to scale and separate processes efficiently. SAP R2 brought a significant improvement, running on mainframes and enabling large enterprises to centralize their operations. At that time, systems were entirely text-based, requiring users to enter commands manually through black-screen terminals. The real transformation came in 1992 with SAP R3, which introduced a client-server architecture. This separation of database, application, and user interface brought more flexibility and efficiency to businesses. One of the key innovations of SAP R3 was SAP GUI, a graphical user interface that made navigation much more intuitive, a system still widely used today. With the rise of the Internet in the early 2000s, SAP launched MySAP.com, allowing remote access to systems, followed by SAP NetWeaver, which improved integration and connectivity with different platforms. These advancements led to SAP ECC, the ERP central component, which became the foundation for enterprise resource planning for many years, and remains in use by many companies today. SAP ECC revolutionized how companies managed their operations. It introduced an integrated model with essential modules such as financial accounting, controlling, materials management, production planning, sales and distribution, plant maintenance, and project management. However, a major challenge remained: how to efficiently store and process large volumes of data. Traditionally, SAP ECC used databases that stored information on physical hard drives. Since data retrieval was sequential and mechanical, performance was often a bottleneck. To optimize access, SAP structured data across multiple tables. Financial accounting had summary and detailed tables to facilitate reports. Controlling had its own set of cost control tables. Each report required access to a specific table, which increased complexity. This fragmentation made reporting more challenging. SAP users had to rely on different tools such as Report Painter, drill-down reports, and line item reports. Each tool had its own limitations and required users to run multiple transactions to obtain a complete view of the data. Many companies even extracted data into SAP BW, or External Business Intelligence Systems, for more advanced reporting. Recognizing the need for modernization, SAP introduced SAP ECC on HANA. The system remained the same, but it now ran on SAP HANA, an in-memory database. Instead of relying on physical hard drives, SAP HANA stored and processed data directly in RAM, significantly improving performance. However, because the table structure of ECC remained unchanged, some limitations still existed. The real breakthrough came with SAP S/4HANA. Unlike ECC on HANA, SAP S/4HANA is not just an upgrade. It was completely rewritten to run natively on SAP HANA. The biggest innovation was the elimination of aggregated and total tables, as calculations are now performed in real time. The introduction of the Universal Journal, ACDOCA, consolidated financial and managerial accounting data into a single source of truth. Performance improved dramatically, allowing users to generate reports instantly without relying on pre-calculated totals. It's important to clarify that not all data is stored in the Universal Journal. Master data tables and supporting tables still exist across different modules, but transaction data in FI and CO is now centralized, reducing redundancy and improving reconciliation. This new structure changed reporting significantly. Previously, users relied on separate reporting tools for different needs, but now, reports are generated directly from the Universal Journal. The Virtual Data Model, VDM, provides structured access to data, making reporting more efficient. The Multidimensional Reporting Client, MRC, allows users to explore data dynamically with drill-down capabilities. In addition, new visualization tools such as KPI tiles and analytical dashboards provide real-time insights. With all these structural changes, SAP also modernized the user experience with SAP Fiori. The traditional SAP GUI is still accessible, but SAP Fiori provides a modern, intuitive, and responsive interface that enhances usability. Through Fiori, users can access reports, transactions, and business applications in a more seamless and visually engaging way. Now that you understand SAP's transformation, the big question is, what is the best way to learn all of this? There are three main approaches. The first is self-study, which is a low-cost option but can be time-consuming. Without proper guidance, it's easy to lose focus and spend unnecessary time on irrelevant content. The second option is standard SAP training, which is high quality but often limited to specific topics. While these courses cover individual subjects in depth, they rarely provide a cross-functional understanding of how everything connects. The third option is a customized training approach, tailored to your specific needs, your team, or your company. Unlike standard training, which follows a fixed curriculum, a personalized program focuses on what truly matters for your role and career path. With a structured learning plan, you can accelerate your progress and gain practical knowledge much faster. All three options have their advantages, and the right choice depends on your learning style and goals. But if you need guidance on finding the best learning path, feel free to reach out. Whether you are learning individually, training a team, or seeking tailored training for your company, I can help you navigate this journey. No matter which path you choose, I hope this insight has been valuable. If you want to deepen your SAP knowledge and find the best way to master these concepts efficiently, stay connected. In the next session, we'll explore more strategies to help you succeed in SAP.